In Poland, people do not get crazy about Halloween like they do in US. Kids do trick-or-treating, but they visit houses that are decorated for Halloween. This year, I left it late and I have nothing. I had to quickly come up with an idea on how to attract those kids. I created a super simple project using Arduino and LED matrix to illuminate one of my front windows. If you want to see how it turned out, stick around. So here is the LED matrix I'm planning to use for this project. To illuminate the matrix with various colors, I will be using an HSV color scheme. Colors are represented by numbers ranging from 0 to 255. If you're not familiar with this concept, I have a dedicated video on selecting colors in LED projects. Feel free to check it out. I want the colors to change in a random but smooth fashion. We start with a color set to 0, which is red, and then randomly I will select the direction and how far in that direction I would go along HSV axis, changing the colors on the way. So here is an example of such random color changes. In the code, I will be utilizing a fast LED library. Here is the variable to represent the currently displayed color. We have 256 LEDs in our matrix and it will be connected to pin 12. The CRGB table represents 256 LEDs that make up the matrix. In the setup section, we initialize the matrix object and set the brightness of the LEDs. In the loop, we randomly select how far and in which direction we'll move along the HSV color axis. Using these generated guidelines, we have a for loop that changes the current HSV color a specified number of times. If we go below 0 or above 255, we make the necessary adjustments. Each time such a color change occurs, we have another for loop to update the CRGB table with that color and use fast LED show method to reflect that change on the matrix. Each color is displayed for 40 milliseconds. The connectivity is straightforward. We connect the 5V wire to Arduino's 5V pin, the ground wire to ground, and the signal pin to Arduino's digital pin 12. Let's place the matrix in its designated spot and power it up. How about that? The colors are changing nicely in the random fashion. Let's have a look from outside. Right now, it might not be very visible, but let's give it some time. Now, that looks much better. Filming lit LEDs is always tricky, and you will have to take my word for it that in reality it looks much brighter. So here's the candy I had halfway through the giveaway, and here is what I had just before I filmed the wrap-up of this video. So it worked. The candy is all gone. I hope you enjoy this content. I will see you in my next video, and have a happy Halloween. Ciao.